Right now, someone is looking at your house. Not walking by, looking. They're noticing things you've stopped seeing years ago. The dead giveaways, the patterns, the mistakes you make every single morning without thinking twice. And here's what makes it worse. It takes them less than 5 minutes to decide if you're worth the risk. This isn't paranoia. This is statistics. Every 23 seconds in America, a home gets burglarized. That's not some third world problem happening somewhere else. That's happening in nice neighborhoods, with alarm company signs in the yard and motion lights that flicker on when a raccoon walks by. The average burglar spends 8 to 12 minutes inside your home, which means they spend more time watching it from the outside than they do ransacking it from the inside. They've already made every important decision before they touch your door. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to teach you the exact 5-minute test that reveals how criminals see your home. Not theory, not what some security company wants you to buy. The actual methodology former burglars have admitted to using. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. Walk outside right now. Stand on the sidewalk or across the street if you can. Now, forget everything you know about your house. Forget that you live there. Forget your memories. Look at it like a stranger with bad intentions and one question. Can I get in and out without getting caught? The first thing they notice is predictability. Your car leaves the driveway at 7:42 every morning. It comes back at 5:15 every evening. Your neighbor's dog barks at the mailman at 2 p.m., which means nobody reacts to barking anymore. Your porch light comes on at exactly 6:30 because it's on a timer, which means you're probably not home. A person turning lights doesn't do it at the exact same second every night. They're looking for patterns, because patterns mean empty windows of opportunity. The solution isn't chaos, it's randomization. Smart plugs that vary their timing by 15 to 30 minutes. Asking your neighbor to grab your packages instead of letting them stack up. Breaking the routine just enough that watching your house becomes unreliable intelligence. Second thing they check is what we call soft entry points. Everyone locks the front door. Almost nobody checks the side gate, the garage service door, or the sliding glass door with that little latch that can be popped with a flathead screwdriver in 3 seconds. Walk around your house and push on every door and window from the outside. Not hard, just firm. If anything rattles, shakes, or feels loose, that's an invitation. Burglars don't want confrontation. They want the path of least resistance, the door that opens, not the one they have to break. Third signal is visibility from the street. Dense hedges and privacy fences feel like security. They're not. They're cover. Once someone is behind that 6-foot fence, nobody can see what they're doing to your back window. Trim anything near entry points below 3 feet. You want clear sight lines from the street to every possible way into your home. The best security isn't a barrier, it's exposure. Criminals hate being watched. Now check your windows, not for locks, for content. Can someone see your TV, your laptop, your console, your jewelry box from the sidewalk? Your advertising. Every visible item is a reason to pick your house over your neighbor's. This is called reward assessment. They're calculating whether what they can see justifies the risk. Sheer curtains help. Moving valuables out of the direct sightline from windows helps more. The goal is to make your home look lived in, but boring, nothing worth risking prison over. Fifth check, and this one catches everyone. Trash. On garbage day, you're telling the whole neighborhood what you just bought. That 70-inch TV box sitting on the curb, that's a billboard that says, "Come get it." That Amazon packaging piled high, someone just went shopping. Break down boxes inside out. Bag electronics packaging separately. Never announce your purchases to the street. Here's the psychological kicker most people miss. Burglars don't pick the most vulnerable house. They pick the most vulnerable house that looks worth it. They want low risk with medium to high reward. Your job is to flip both variables. Make the risk look high, visible cameras, open sightlines, unpredictable patterns. Make the reward look low, nothing visible, boring exterior, no signs of wealth. The 5-minute test works because criminals use the same test on you. Stand outside, look for patterns, check weak entries, evaluate visibility, assess what's on display, scan the trash. If you find problems, fix them tonight, not this weekend, not when you get around to it. Because the guy casing your block already finished his test. The question is whether you passed. One more thing nobody tells you. Dogs help, but not how you think. A big dog doesn't scare burglars because of the bite. It scares them because of the noise. Small dogs that bark at everything are actually more effective deterrents than quiet guard dogs. The goal is attention, not combat. Anything that draws eyes to the house while someone's trying to get in quietly, that's your real security system. So walk outside, do the test. 5 minutes now saves you everything later. Your stuff, your sense of safety, the violation of knowing someone stood in your bedroom while you were at work. If this changed how you see your own home, subscribe to the Dark Schematic. My family bet I can't hit 10K subscribers before summer. Let's make them regret that. Drop a comment telling me what city you're watching from. I want to know where my people are. And if you want to know what to do if someone actually gets inside, that video is right here. Click it, because prevention only works until it doesn't.